Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Asagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatingnan natin ang gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of October 9 hanggang October 15 for the sign of Pisces! So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng Spirit Guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat guys. So walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-i-escape ng odds. Naway pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw. Ang balik sa inyo. Diyos na bahala magbalik sa inyo niyan guys. Maraming salamat po. So umpisaan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit, please give information for the sign of Pisces. Overtaas ang energy. Let's see. And of course, sinasabi dito with the justice. Oh my God! Pisces, hustisya. May pa-hustisya ka dito, ha? Sinasabi, oh my goodness! Justice and Star card, pasabog! Sinasabi sa'yo dito na makukuha mo yung hustisya at karapat-dapat at himala at pasabog na kagalingan, healing, miracle, star, wish fulfillment, pasabog! Sinasabi ng justice dito talaga mukhang mamamayagpag ka talaga dito, ti. Makukuha mo ang balanse at karapat-dapat para sa'yo. No? So let's see what is additional messages. Gandang pasabog, ha? Unang lapag, bumapagalapak. Okay, the Nine of Cups. There's an offer, proposal, email, messages, apology, ganon. So let's see what is additional messages. And because there's a magician, wow! Oh my God! Kumaga sinasabi sa dito, mayroon talagang manifestation, no? Kumaga God will to talaga. Additional messages. And of course, there's, my goodness! The Wheel of Fortune is here. Ganda, ha? Gigigil ako sa inyo, ha? Mukhang there's a bless and luck, no? Luck is in your side, no? Maaring talagang karapat-dapat, no? At kalooban talaga ng Diyos na mukhang umikat ang kapalaran sa'yo. No? And because there's a Four of Pentacles, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, protectionan mo yung power mo. Protectionan mo yung grounds mo. Protectionan mo yung finances mo or any resource of income. And of course, sinasabi dito may the justice, it is a Page of Pentacles. Manifestation. Kumbaga, yung hustisya ay mamamanifest mo, no? Makukuha mo what you deserve, no? Manifestation. Because there is a Nine of Pentacles, sa blossoming abundance. May goodness, tumapat ka pa talaga sa star card kung meron talagang katuparan sa pangarap mo dito na biglang pagyabong, no? Kumbaga, biglang lalakas yung negosyo, hanap buhay mo. May goodness. What is the Knight of Cups? There's a Three of Wands, waiting for a result or waiting for a ship, no? Sinasabi dito na kailangan mo mag-antay ng isang offer na talagang appropriate sa'yo. No, talagang, ano siya yung talagang para sa'yo talaga, yung ganong offer. So, what is the Magician? And of course, there's a Three of Swords. Oh, may mag-ingat, may naiinggit eh. May inggitera. So, what is the Wheel of Fortune? Mapanakit tong inggitera na to, ha. And of course, there's an Eight of Wands, no? There's a fast communication and fast movement, no? Mabilis yung pag-ikot, eh. Mabilis yung paggalaw ng swerte. And of course, there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership, no? Kumbaga, may protection kayo dito with you to, with the partnership, no? Pagdating dito, meron talaga kayong protection. At sinasabi sa'yo dito, pinaprotection ninyo yung isa't isa. Even your resource of income and grounds, no? And because there's an Eight of Wands talaga parang bibilis yung pasok na magandang kapalaran sa inyo. Okay, what is the Justice and the Page of Pentacles? And of course, there's an Empress, a Liberty, parang biglang pagkabuhay ng panibagong eksena mo parang dito. Parang parang muling pamamayagpag, di ba? Kumbaga nakuha mo yung bagay na para sa'yo talaga. What is the Star card in the Nine of Pentacles? And of course, there's a page of cup. Listen to your intuition. Laging-lagi ka makikinig sa instinct mo, sa intuitions mo, sa vibration mo, all, and even dun sa inner voice mo. Lagi ka makikinig kasi yun magtutupad sa pangarap mo. So, what is the Nine of Cups and the Three of Wands? And of course, there's a Four of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, no more anxieties, no more fear, no more, no more nightmare na, kumbaga, talaga sinasabi dito, magre-reflect to dito sa offer na to, no? Kumbaga, ito ay maaaring kakayanan, gift by the universe, no? Or there's an information na yahatid ka, no? Sa mga bagay na para sa'yo, or travel, diba? Or some of you guys, parang may sinabi sa akin dito ang aking gabay na meron daw kang astral travel na may kakayanan ka makapag-astral. Ganon. Pasaba, what is the Magician and the Three of Swords? And of course, guys, there's black namin. Oh my God! Mag-ingat ka, may mangkukulam daw dito, no? May naiinggit sa'yo, mag-ingat ka lang, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na merong humaharang ng magandang eksena sa'yo. May naiinggit sa'yo dito, gumagawa ng magician. My God, let's see. Babae, lalaki. My God! It's either, kumbaga naiinggit sa inyong ng asawa mo, or sa inyong partnership, or some of you baka mag-asawa tong naiinggit sa inyo. Or some of you, kaya hindi ka nagkakaroon ng asawa or jowa. That because of meron taong naiinggit na gumawa sa'yo na ginawang ka ng kung sino yung lumalapit sa'yo, kumbaga, hindi ka magugustuhan or lalaruin ka lang, ganon. So, what is the Wheel of Fortune and the Eight of Wands? And of course, there is a Two of Swords. There's a decision, no? Kailangan mo mag-decision dito. So, what is the Four of Pentacles and the Two of Cups? And of course, there's a Queen of Cups. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng healing in all aspects. At the same time, judgment, parang awakening for you. Parang nagising ka sa katotohanan na may gumagawa para sa'yo ng eksena behind your back. Parang may nakikita ko dito na about dito sa Queen of Cups na babae, no, may kaakibat na parang iinggit talaga sa itong babaeng to. Parang siya, kumbaga, nagkakaroon siya malapit sa'yo or some of you parang nakakasama mo, or some of you baka kapitbahay mo, nakakausap mo. Kumbaga, there's some evil eye na kumbaga ginagamitan ka ng evil eye, parang ganon. Parang some of you parang nakakausap mo siya tapos kumbaga may lihim na inggit sa'yo by social media, ganon din, ini-stalk ka, at mukhang pinaglalaroan ka na itong tao na to. So, let's see what is additional outcome. And of course, there's a Seven of Pentacles. There's a harvest time, no? Magkakaroon ka daw ng harvest dito at the end of the time. And of course, there's a Three of Cups, no? There's a celebration. And of course, kumbaga, there's a party or socialize. And of course, there's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. Breakthrough is tagumpay, no? And of course, there's a Nine of Swords. See? There's a reverse. It means, wala na yung anxieties, wala na yung deceptions. Kumbaga, nakilala mo tong inggitera. Nakilala mo na kaya nakapag-set ka kagad ng boundaries. Or some of you nakapag-cleansing or may protection na. No? So, what is the Love Oracle card? So, what is the Love Oracle card? There's a kisses. Some of you, there's an unconditional love or loving and receiving affection, or some of you, may tao palang may lihim na pagtingin sa'yo dito. And of course, there's a clock. And then some of you need time, takes time, and in the time, no? Lahat ng time, time to heal and progress. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a soulmate. May soulmate connection din dito at the same time, ha? Soul connection, partnership, and soul contract. So, let's see what is the angel's number. What is the angel's number? And of course, there is a 24. I am generous. So, let's see. You have a heart of gold and are very skilled in maintaining balance, stable, and relationship. You are loyal to your loved ones and are able to be the nurturer and protector and provider in all at once. So, ibig sabihin dito, napaka-generous mo. No? Parang sa madaling salita, napakabait mo sa lahat ng aspeto. No? Mabuti yung kalooban mo, mabuti yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, wala ka talagang bahid na karumihan dito. No? So, let's see what is additional messages. What is the additional messages? And kung sinasabi dito guys, all paths lead home. Ibig sabihin dito, inner authority or intuition turning your gaze within. So, ibig sabihin dito, yung mga bagay na nakikita mo, no, nangyayari talaga siya. Na isa sa katuparan talagang parang meron kang kakayanan na talaga ipinagkaloob sa'yo na intuitions and of course predictions, no? Parang na ano siya yung mga bagay na, nakikita mo na nangyayari, ganon. Kumbaga lahat ng mga sinasabi mo nangyayari, may ganong kang kakayanan din. So let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. And of course, there's an air sign. So, some of you, meron kang kinalaman or may sa chart mo, meron talagang air sign dito or there's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius talagang compatible sa Pisces. So, additional messages. And close off, guarded, resistant. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan ino-off mo yung mga bagay-bagay pagdating sa paligid mo. Kasi, kailangan proteksyonan mo yung pangalagaan yung sarili mo, ganon. Kumbaga, mag-set ka ng boundaries para yung mga negative energy, yung mga taong gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, hindi mo na-attract or na-apply sa sarili mo or na-adopt. No, kailangan mo mag-set ng protection sa sarili mo. And kasi kailangan mo mag-cleansing, no, para ma-wash out yung mga negativity. And of course, there's a sun card, strength, and of course, empowerment. May kalakasan ka, no? May kakayanan ka at the same time, mayroon ka talagang confident, mayroon ka kakapalan ng mukha. Charis, mayroon ka ditong parang confident na kaya mong humarap, no? Na, kumbaga, hindi ka nahihiya, hindi ka natatakot, no? Lumalaban ng patas. Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a nourish and body care, tenderness, and rest. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo magpahinga, 'di ba? At kailangan mong, kumbaga, pangalagaan yung sarili mo. Baka may mga bagay na nananakit na sa katawan mo, no? Let's see what is the chakra. And there's a trickery. Mag-ingat, may manloloko, may inggitera. Charis, kumbaga mag-ingat ka sa manloloko or manggagamit, ha? And of course, sinasabi din dito, guys, there's a gossip. Chismosa! Meron daw ditong gossip, no? Merong marites or inggitera, chismosa may, no? Mag-ingat. And of course, sinasabi rin dito, guys, there's a mysticism. See? May misteryo dito. Ito yung parang misteryoso or something na, kumbaga, meron palang kaharap mo na, yung pala yung traidor. Ganon, mag-ingat, ha? Kaya kailangan may panuko ka para sumuko yung mga kalaban mo. Even yung mga tao sa paligid mo na may gustong gumawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda na hindi natutuloy, no? What is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? And of course, there is your hard work is paying off, no? Lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, makukuha mo. And then you don't let your past hold you back, no? Wag mo na raw balikan yung mga bagay na nakaraan na, no? Kasi magdadala yan ng blockages sa'yo. So, what is the Romance Angels? Okay, Romance Angels represent release your ex, no? Pakawalan mo raw yung ex mo. The time has come to clear your energy. Linisin mo yung nasa paligid mo, alisin mo yung mga nakaraan mo. And, excuse me. And of course, there's an healing family issues, no? Meron talagang family issues, meron talagang against or something na hindi katanggap, no? Your love life benefit as you forgive your parents. So, meron ditong cross-watcher din na maaaring hindi katanggap ng jowa mo, o hindi tanggap yung jowa mo ng pamilya mo, o hindi ikaw tanggap ng pamilya niya, or ganon. Some of you, ganon siya, guys. So, let's see what is the energy. What is this energy, Angel Spirit Guides? There's a happy family. So, magiging masaya ka daw dito at pamasaya ang pamilya mo. And of course, there's a Chakra Archangel Metatron. Merong surprises, no? May pa-spark, no? Ang ating Archangel Metatron, no? Parang bibiglain ka ng pagkakataon at bibiglain ka ng panahon. Ganon. May pagbiglaan dito, no? And of course, there's a first chakra, Archangel Michael, no? For protection, no? Sinasabi sa dito, pinoprotection ng ating mga gabay, lalo-lalo na Archangel Michael. At kailangan mo ng protection, no? Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's an imaginations. Some of you, sinasabi na kaya mo makapag-create ng mga bagong ideas, mga bagong plano, no? And of course, there's a blame. Wala ka ibang sisisihin kundi ang sarili mo. Sa lahat ng mga kagagawa nangyayari sa buhay mo, sarili mo lang ang may kagagawan niya. So, ibig sabihin dito, kung nagtiwala ka at binalikan mo yung mga bagay ayon sa nakaraan mo, kumbaga ikaw lang din ang gumawa ng bagay na ikasasama mo, no? Kumbaga, there's an ex na yun, no? Bihira sa ex ang binabalikan. Uy. Charis, eme. So, there's a speaker. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na your life purpose involve your skills of creation. So, ibig sabihin dito, talagang there's an orasyon or something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng kakayanan, di ba? Meron ka dito na ginagamit ng mga orasyon or something. Di ba? Ay, some of you, kaya mong, baka marunong kang kumbaga may mga tangan or kakayanan, di ba? Kumbaga marunong kang gumamit ng mga orasyon. Or some of you guys, there's a premonition. Oh my God. Di ba? Kakayanan premonition, ibig sabihin, marunong ka talagang, there's an astral travel. Or some of you, there's an information na para sinasabi dito na meron kang nakikita sa hinaharap, may mga bagay na pangitain, or may mga bagay na, kumbaga, malalaman mo yung mangyayari, no? May ganun kang abilities din, no? Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a goddess insight. Oh my goodness! Diba? May kakayanan kang masilip. So, may mga pasilip talaga sa'yo. So, yun yung kakayanan mo, guys. There's an astral travel. Kakayanan mo masilip yung hinaharap. Or may mga bagay na parang makikita ka. Ganon. And because there is a awakening or project or renewal, no? May mga panibagong eksena na ilalahad sa'yo ng ating mga gabay by spiritual. So, ibig sabihin dito, parang mamulat ka na sa katotohanan na isa kang kumbaga gifted, no? What is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, there is a right about your thoughts and feelings. So, ibig sabihin dito, sundin mo yung nararamdaman mo. Ang tawag dyan, inner voice. And believe and trust. Magtiwala ka at maniwala ka. No, yung bumubulong sa'yo, hindi ka naluloka. Hindi ka na nahaansya or nababaliw. Magtiwala ka dyan, ilalagay ka niyan sa sitwasyon na ikabubuti mo. So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? Meditation. My goodness! Oh my God! Talagang possible na sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a meditation. Kaya mo mag-meditate, no? Para makarating sa isang lugar o sa isang sitwasyon na makakatulong sa'yo para mailahad about sa spirituality. May kakayanan ka talaga, no? Ngayon pa lang inilip up na kita, you are incredible. And of course, you are indestructible. Ganon. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. What is the Jesus loving quotes? And of course, give and shall be given to you. Ibigay mo at ipagkakaloob sa iyo ni God ayon sa kalooban niya. Diba? Ibig sabihin dito, ibibigay sa iyo ang karapat dapat sa iyo. Justice will serve. Ang hustisya na nararapat para sa iyo. Tandaan mo, there's a God. And of course, there's spirit guides na gagabay sa'yo. So, let's see what is the messages of life. And of course, my God, dito na tayo sa inner power. So, let's see. Today, I choose to see myself as significant. I acknowledge my true strength. I remain steadfast in the face of adversity. If I stumble, I pick myself up, knowing that I am filled with the power of the universe. I accept the appreciation myself in every way. I contain the most precious treasure of this world within me. The universe shines through me. See? Pinapakita na sa inyo yung universe na may kakayanan kang mailahalahad, no? May kakayanan kang ipapakita dito. Ang kalakasan at katibayan, no? Ng kalooban mo. At dun makikita, no? Kayang-kaya mong harapin yung mga bagay-bagay. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung nila makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, this is a weekly gabay for the month of October 9 hanggang October 15 for the sign of Pisces. So guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Diyos na ang bahala magbalik sa inyo niyan. Maniwala kayo, siksik diglig nag-uumapaw. Maraming salamat po. And of course, comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo. Kung asa man kayo sulok ng mundo, baka sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap ng ating mga gabay. Maraming salamat. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!